Everything you believe about separation is an illusion. Modern science has uncovered something extraordinary, though most people still don't fully grasp it. Everything in the universe is connected in ways that transcend both time and space. There is a hidden energy field that not only binds subatomic particles, but also connects your thoughts, emotions, and even your destiny. What does this mean for you? It means your mind is shaping reality in ways you've never imagined. And today, you're going to discover how this understanding can change your life forever. Picture this: two identical dice. You roll one here, and someone else rolls the other thousands of miles away. Yet the outcome of one instantly affects the other. This isn't magic. It's a real principle from quantum physics, known as quantum entanglement. Scientific experiments show that entangled particles remain invisibly connected, reacting to each other instantaneously, even across vast distances. But what many don't realize is that this phenomenon isn't limited to the microscopic world. It can influence your thoughts, your emotions, and your life. If everything in the universe is energy, and we know it is, then your consciousness must also follow these quantum rules. Meaning, your thoughts and feelings can impact the world around you more powerfully than you think. For example, research from the HeartMath Institute shows that your heart generates a strong electromagnetic field, one that can influence not just your body but your environment as well. So what happens to the energy of your thoughts and emotions when you project them into the universe? Quantum entanglement suggests everything, including you, is part of an interconnected field. When you think or feel something intensely, those vibrations resonate outward, aligning with energies that match your frequency. This is why some people effortlessly attract opportunities and abundance, while others seem trapped in cycles of struggle. Quantum experiments, like the famous double-slit experiment, show that the very act of observation can change how particles behave. In other words, consciousness influences matter. If that's true, think about the implications for your life. The connection between mind and universe is deeper than we've been taught. One of the most powerful transmitters of your personal energy field is your subconscious, a living antenna that's constantly picking up and sending out frequencies. And here's the catch: most of your subconscious programming comes from early childhood. According to Dr. Bruce Lipton, 95% of your daily actions are controlled by subconscious beliefs formed in your first years of life, when your brain is in a highly receptive, almost hypnotic state. If you absorbed limiting beliefs, like money is hard to make or success isn't for you, those patterns still shape your energy today. This explains why so many people struggle to change their lives. Even if your conscious mind wants abundance, if your subconscious still emits fear or doubt, you'll unconsciously sabotage your progress. But there's good news. Just like updating software, your subconscious can be reprogrammed. Through tools like meditation, visualization, EFT, emotional freedom technique, or NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, you can rewrite those old patterns and raise your vibration. Have you noticed that when you're in a bad mood, more negative things seem to happen? But when you're feeling great, opportunities just flow your way. That's because your vibrational field responds to what's stored in your subconscious. The key is learning to consciously emit the frequency of the life you want through your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Cutting-edge research from Roger Penrose and Stuart Hameroff suggests that consciousness itself may be linked to quantum processes inside your brain cells. This means your thoughts could literally resonate with the quantum field, shaping reality in subtle yet powerful ways. Have you ever thought about someone and then they suddenly call you? Or felt a gut sense something was going to happen, and then it did? These aren't coincidences. They're evidence of the mind's entanglement with the universe. Dr. Joe Dispenza explains that when you think a thought, it triggers chemicals that generate emotions. Those emotions then reinforce the thought, creating a cycle that determines your energetic vibration. If you think fearful, scarcity-based thoughts, that vibration attracts more lack. But when you think abundant, grateful thoughts and feel them as true, you align with a frequency that draws abundance. Spiritual traditions have spoken of this for millennia. Concepts like prana in Hinduism, chi in Chinese medicine, or the Akashic field in esoteric traditions all describe this invisible energy web connecting everything. Now, modern physics, through theories like David Bohm's holographic universe, is confirming that such an interconnected field exists.